Hi baby, how are you? It's Victoria and I'm so glad to see you. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. And I wanted to do some beginner yoga. Just some very mindful, very easy relaxation with me today. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, and let's get started. Get on the floor, grab your mat, some water, and come enjoy this session with me. So first we're just going to do some body rolls just to get things warmed up. So just go on a seated position and using the balls of your feet towards your toes. We're just going to do some lifting to the air. This will work your legs, your glutes, your hips. Try to do some circles. Requires some balance, so it's really good for working on that. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. And then we're just going to do a plank pose, or it's more like a plow, so it's the other way. I get the names mixed up sometimes. So we're just going to lay on the mat, on the floor, and using your belly, your core, you're just going to flip up and over. So just take your time. I forgot I have a clip in my hair, so it's going to be a bit of a maneuver. You can grab your legs. We can go into happy baby. Nothing too crazy, just a light pull. And then we'll just go into cobra. You can do baby cobra. wiggle your toes and go down into puppy pose. And try to extend as far as you can. We'll finish off with just a front stretch. Just sit facing forward. Rest your hand on your leg. We'll just do one last pose today. Just grab your leg and go up as far as you can and touch your toe to the ground. And that's all for today's session. In the meantime, make sure you hit the bell and the notification bell and like, comment, and subscribe. I would love that. And to let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next. I hope you love my content and my yoga sessions with you. And I guess I will see you next time. Bye.